Hey there, machas. We're all set to play some 2v2 in IBBC when all of a sudden Uncle Drew shows up. So here we go. These are the teams. Game to 15. I swear to God, macha, every court has an Uncle Drew of its own. Well, at least this time he's on my team. Oh, what a brilliant start from That's a pandemic P sideboard. And finally, one shot goes. So here's where the game begins. And with that layup, they tie the score at 2-all. This fellow is Nikola Jokic's guru. Oh no, he makes a wide open 3. And this is how you pick the pocket. You got to watch your back, macha. I know most people in street ball wouldn't bother playing defense on that. But here we go, we had to tie the score right. Oh no, just like that, they take back their 2-point lead. And we answer right back. He's wide open again. And makes that. And we answer again. This is turning out to be a 3-point shootout. But we have to stop that one somewhere.
Anybody got a GPS?
Come on, Jay.
You know I'm gonna need a whole new zip code on that one.
Tries to answer, but shots not good. And Uncle Drew is back to the ball. Macha, this guy is the definition of the best defense with a swift and decisive offense. Talking about defense, here's some second best defense.
Hand down, man.
This man is what you'd get if Steph Curry played Uncle Drew instead of Kyrie Irving. And now with the scores at 12-9, we don't really need to play any defense, except at the 3-point line. Make that game point. Now we don't need to play defense at all, just score 1 point.
Game point, Uncle. Oh no!
Pass intercepted. Drives in but gets rejected. That's game. But they want to run it back. They've made some substitutions with a big man and a shooter coming in. This time game for 21. A little floater, and that's the first bucket of this game.
Oh no!
Oh, he's not letting him have the three. So he drives in for his first layup of the day. And they answer with a nice pass inside and the finish. You see, this is why they have made the substitution. Seems to be working good for them. But after this tough three, we are up 2. And the big man scores another post shot. He's the one scoring everything for this team. A nice floater, and finally someone else has scored for the team. A give and go and another shot inside. For the first time this game, they are up. Runs to intercept, and what is this? Big man tries a three. Whoops! But I get the ball back and somehow manage to dribble through all 4 and make that layup. But he shoots right over our guy to get the 2-point lead back. Hey, that's a foul, but he didn't call it. But yeah, as the old saying goes, ball don't lie. We need this too. And we get this too. His man was too busy camping the paint for rebound, but a swish it was. Ooh, some quick passing for an easy layup inside. Their shooter has finally made a 3. I mean 2. A step back 3. Swish, and the scores are tied. This is indeed a very close game. Dribbles through everybody, layup, gets the rebound but steps out of bounds. Oh, what a perfect pass with the foot for the open 3. Big man's got his back for the beautiful reverse, and now the biggest lead of the game, they're up 3. Make that 1. So much effort and it had to go to the wrong teammate. Phantom shot wipes. Pointer, and with that we are finally back up. Wow, we got the deflection, but it had to go back to their team only. That was so quick, he didn't even have the time to think of jumping. Another floater to take back the lead. Now that's just some desperation chucking up 2 pointers. And splash, we're at game point. And that's game.
I get buckets.